Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be reviewing Smoky by Maison Alhambra. Smoky was formerly known as TABAC and was said to be duping Dior's Tobacolor. I'm not a fan of tobacco, but the hype around this perfume was quite insane, so I had to get a sample to see what's up. Sadly, on my skin, I don't get any tobacco or honey from this scent. Who knows, maybe with the rebranding, Lattafa tweaks the formula of the juice. Anyway, Smoky by Maison Alhambra opens smelling like a watered-down smoky vanilla scent with metallic fermented fruits, cinnamon, praline, and incense following close behind. The metallic accord in this perfume will remind you of Lattafa's 𝗕𝗓𝗧, but it's a rusty metallic accord, not a bloody one. 1 hour later, Smoky by Maison Alhambra smells sweet, powdery, ambery, and fruity with smoky, incensey, woody vanilla. Smoky projects softly for 1 to 2 hours and lasts an easy 9 hours on my skin. The far dry down for Smoky is creamy amber on a bed of powdered sugar and smoky woods. Smoky by Maison Alhambra is in the same play group as perfumes such as Paris Corners Refractants, Lattafa's Ragbar, and Ragbar Wood Intense. So this DNA will definitely smell familiar to you. But the whole fruity undertone in here makes me kind of like appreciate this a lot better than those ones, but they are all fantastic perfumes. Anyway, that has been my review from Smoky by Maison Alhambra, in which I don't get any tobacco and I don't get any honey. Don't forget to please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.